Hey guys, Kevin from Panther Lights here. A few years back, as a Morimoto dealer and the owner of a Mercury Marauder, I was determined to upgrade the subpar factory fog lights. Partnering with the good folks over at Morimoto, I was able to then test fit a bracket that they had developed to adapt their fog lights to the factory mounting points on the Mercury Marauder. I then took it a step further and created the only plug-and-play connection kit to save you the trouble so that you didn't have to modify your factory harness. Honestly, I think it's time to do that again. I'm super excited to introduce the newest addition to the lineup of fog lights for the Mercury Marauder, the Elite Series fog lights by Diode Dynamics. These are available everywhere, but exclusively at Panther Lights. When you order these fog lights, you'll receive the fog lights themselves, the mounting hardware to adapt to your factory mounting points, and the option to purchase the plug-and-play connection kit. These aren't just beautiful to look at. They pack a punch in overall brightness, and they have a few cool tricks up their sleeves. Make sure you stay to the end of the video, where I'll be comparing the Elite Series fog lights to the outgoing Morimoto XB LED fog lights. You definitely won't want to miss that. Now let's see what's in the box. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. And upon doing so, you are first greeted with Diode Dynamics stickers, some installation instructions, as well as the proper way to adjust them. And we will remove the first round of styrofoam, and then we are presented with the fog lights themselves. Okay, and we'll remove the second round of styrofoam, and then you have all of the wires and T-taps that you're going to need for installation. We'll set that to the side, get rid of the box. Now, everything that was presented in the box is how it's provided directly from Diode Dynamics. When you order from Panther Lights though, you have two extra things. You'll also receive the mounting hardware, which will adapt these fog lights to the factory mounting points on the Marauder. You'll also receive the optional plug-and-play connection kit if you added that at the original order. All right, I went ahead and grabbed my power supply as well as the Morimoto XB LED fog light. Let's go ahead and power it up and give it some comparison. As you can see, it has a relatively sharp cutoff line, but the beam pattern bows upward on the outside edges. I do feel that the intensity could be a bit better at 887 lux. All right, let's go ahead and power up the Diode Dynamics Elite Series fog light. As you can see, the cutoff line is razor sharp, incredibly wide beam pattern, and this measures at 1,636 lux, almost twice as bright. All right guys, there you have it. This was a quick introduction to the new Elite Series fog lights by Diode Dynamics and comparing them directly to the Morimoto XB LED fog lights. Pre-orders are starting right now and will be shipping in the next week or two. And if you have any questions, by all means, leave a question down in the comment section below, or feel free to email me at info@pantherlights.com.